Hi, welcome back. Another important session. In this session, in payment terms, there is a field called day limit that we try to understand in S4 HANA. Uh, Previously, we have already seen payment terms text and sales text, and we're going to see now the day limit uh, field, how it works. Basically, why we required this one. Okay, let me try to understand this. Um, so first 15 days, maybe first 10 days, you would like to give. So if you maintain a certain percentage, it will give you, okay, as a discount, cash discount. For first 15 days, you would like to give you something like, some 4%, okay? And the rest of 10 days, that means first to 15th date. If a month starts, first to 15th date, you would like to give 4% or else 5%, and 15 to 25th, you would like to give somewhere like a 2% on invoice value settlement. Actually, basically, to see payment terms is all about to initiate customer to have a quick collections. Certain times you don't want to, remaining 5 days, you must have to pay it back. Otherwise, we will send warnings or turning or something like that. Certain process will be there. That is often that is different story. But first to 15th, I would like to give you something like 4%, and the dates first to once it started from 16th to 25th, I would like to give you 3%, and or else 2% later. I don't want to give anything, but my collections need to be collected. That's what is all about. A day limit functionality to control it. How we can able to do it? Okay, so probably you got a doubt, like. Uh, so here, if you maintain this one, okay, how we can able to control? So day limit, we are giving first 15 days, and after that, we are giving another 10 days as a day limit. Maybe like, let's put this the same payment term. Okay, it can be splitted into three different parts actually. Okay, let's try to understand this. Probably you might not understand with a theoretical example. Let me go to the SAP. This is the standard payment term. Let's go to the help. Actually, what it says, that also you can able to see this. Okay. So documents. So you just try to understand documents with an invoice date. Okay, invoice date before 15th. Okay, or else on the same date till 15th. Okay, so payable on the last day of the following month. That means it is taking the current month. Okay, you can able to pay at any time. Documents with later invoice date, it follows the next following month. That's what it is saying. Okay, so let's try to, if you would like to, you can able to divide into two or more parts. That's what it is saying. I'll just try to show you with an example. We'll just try to define our own payment terms for this. Okay, let's go to the new entries. ZZ P1. Okay, maybe I'm giving the day limit as 15 days. Okay, so till on or before 15th, like I'm giving, assume that 5% is, okay, number of days is 15 days I'm giving. Okay, so maybe I can put it payments within 15th of 15th, within or on 15. Okay, okay, let's keep it this. Okay, let's put this explanation. Okay, so within 15 days, 5% cashback. That's what it is all about. Let's save this. Let's try to split this. What is the why it is required? I'll just try to explain you. Okay, come back. Okay, let's select this. Again, copy this. Okay, so what I would like to do is, okay, I'm just giving 3 and I would like to give you till 25th. Okay. So later it is 0. 1 second. Okay. Till 25th. Let's try to copy this. Okay. Now, if you come back, let's save this. Now you have a split, right? 15 days and 25 days. Okay. This is what all about the split actually. Let me check. Similar way it is got also defined this one. Okay. So ours is P1. Okay. Let's put it, let's try to understand this. So now let's try to default it. If I don't default it also, both SD side and for sales, FI side, how it will be settled down, I will show you. Before that, it should be required for only customer. I don't want to use it for supplier. Okay, that means vendor. Only customer role only I would like to use it. Let's go to the BP. Let's default this. Okay, if I default this, if I don't default this, how it works, let me show you. So let's come here, go to the customer, sales and distribution, change billing document. Here, GG, and let's keep it as a default. Okay, 1 second. Controller. This. So I have a both, right? I would like to choose this one. Sales, no issues. Now let's go to the sales order. Let me show you one more time. You have to remember this, the percentage. So first 15 days, 5%. Rest to, till 25th, 3%. And 30th, remaining 5 days, you don't have to give any discount. Okay, let's take the debit memo, no issues. If you would like to do the same thing with the regular invoice also, you can able to do it. Okay. So there is something called baseline date. Okay, baseline date, generally your invoice date by default. Okay, that means your current date, system date. Let me go to show you this one also, because if I would like to explain this field, it should be linked with this. You can take any payment term. Here document date is there, right? No default. Default means it will be the current system date. Okay, from current system date, it is calculating. So I will explain you that is separately. Okay, baseline date means from which date your payment terms will be applicable. Okay, currently for our payment terms, I just kept as no default. Okay, that means current system date. From today's date, it is going to get calculated actually. Let's go for this. Press enter. Okay. So billing date, it is taking the 10th actually. 10th February. Okay. So let's see this. I'll show you how it works. So now if you come here, header, billing document. Okay. Currently, it is defaulted with this payment term. How it calculates that I'm going to show you. Okay, 10th means this it is within 15th of your month. Okay. So now let's try to give some order reason since it is a debit memo. Anything is fine. Go to the billing. Okay. Now let's see the header. For your understanding, I'm just showing you this. I have already shown you this one. Okay. So this is item. Let's go to the header quickly, and you can able to see the payment term. Let's save this. I will show you finance side how it works also. Our SD side also, I'll show you the same thing. Okay. Let's go to the accounting tab. Okay. Let's double click this one. So what is this? 5% it is applied. Okay. Now let's try to create one more invoice or debit memo. I'm just showing this example with the debit memo to speed up. Actually, I don't require to do PZ and all those things. Okay, let's try to cross the date actually. Maybe 15th I said, right? Maybe I can take the 17th. Okay, so let's take my billing date as 17th and let's try to uh, choose the order reason. Anything is fine. Okay, so let's try to click the header and go to the billing documents. You can able to see the payment term. So let's try to bill this one, bill this debit memo. Now, if you go to the header, what is this? 17th is the date actually. Okay, the same payment term. Just save this and let's go to the VF02. Okay, so let's try to check the accounting document. Double click this. Now you can able to see this. What is the percentage is applied? It is applied 3%. Okay. So let's try to see. I have just changed. Assume that the invoices which is got created either on 15th or before 15th, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that till 15th, it will be 5%. After 15th, since our date is 17th, this is month actually, this is 17th, so it is 3%. Okay. Let's try to create one more, like to apply the 0. Let's try to test that one also. Okay. So let's try to give and we'll check the day limit and let's try to give the billing date as somewhere after 25th means 27th I'm giving. And let's try to remove the billing block and go to the header and let's try to choose this one. Okay. Now let's try to bill it. Okay. So now it is 27th. You will have the same payment term. Okay. Let's save this and let's try to go to the change or display and let's check the uh, okay, it's not yet created. Okay. Still it is open. Since we have chosen the date, right? Okay. Let me try to make it this one. We have calculated this one till here. Okay. Okay. Now let's try to copy. I'll just remove this. Let me make it this one as 30th. So this is within 30 days due net. Okay. Now let's go to VF02. Let's save this and let's go to the accounting document. Now it is got created. Okay. So three splits we have did before 30th. Okay. Since it falls in between 25, 20 after 25th, 26th to 27th, it should be 30. I have forgotten to make that split. Now you got an understandability how this work. Let me try to show you finance side, what generally they will do. What is the basic advantage? Not much specifically for. So if you define like this, generally, if you default certain payment term, okay, it will work SD side also. Like if the invoices falls under within 15 days, and the invoices which those falls under between 16 to 25th, and your 26th to 30th, it will work like that. Okay, this is 5%, this is 3%, this is 30 days. So FI side, what they will do it. Okay, I'm not going to post this one. I'll just wanted to show you. Just give the customer and let's give the invoice date. Okay, invoice date. I'm just giving maybe like somewhere 5th. Okay, press enter. Okay, go to the payment. Okay, so now uh, GGP1, right? So the that is copied from our company code as I explained you. I'm just showing you what exactly it happens. If you press enter, see, so within 15 days, 5% it is changed. The date is this one. Let's put it 15th also. Okay. So, but if I made it 16th, okay. Now see, what is this? 3% it is applied. So let's try to make it 23. Oh, sorry, 23. Okay, that is within 25 days. That's why. So let's take this one as 26. So what is that? 0. Okay, this is how they will enter GL account and amount and they are going to settle down. There is no point to post on all those things. This is how it works actually. We'll came back for uh, both ways. Okay, either see if billing document is posted ASD side, that they will take it as a reference and they will try to post against certain invoice documents. Okay, and they will follow the similar process to settle down it, or else FI side also directly they can able to do it without any SD intervention. So that what they will do, they will directly enter the amount and customer number and GL account and other details. Okay, this is how it works. The day limit, okay, for due date. If you really wanted to learn more things, currently I'm holding 8,065, 365 students, and this is my S4HANA course. It is 87.5 hours with 288 lectures with 4.5 rating. If you really want, you can, if you are from SD side, ECC side, you can subscribe this course with full confidence. You will get all concepts, and this is for condition contract management. This is which is rebate replacement. I have see when a certain topic I have created a separate thing means it should require special attention. Okay, for configuration and for your future. You just learn this, and I have other set of courses also. And when it comes to if you are a beginner, then of course, if you are there in real time also, this is idoc configuration for SD consultants with 4 to 5 scenarios I have explained, 9 hours with 41 lectures. This is how to write a functional specification, and this is for pricing. If you really want, you can give a try all these different courses at my end, and that's it. And currently, this is my channel. It is holding 1,000+ videos, around 1,100 videos. If you really want, you can try my channel. That's what my request is all about. Thank you so much, and wishing you all the best. Have a great day. Let's catch up. Next, this is a mock screen. Don't worry. We are going to define our practicals directly. Now you understood day limit. If you have any doubts, you can comment. Thanks so much. Have a great day.